Welcome to 13655 North Ruffed Grouse Way in the hills at Dry Creek Ranch. Today we're going to show you Boise Hunter Homes' latest listing. It's the Stanley model, coming in at about 4,500 square feet. Come on in, let's take a look. As you walk inside, you're welcomed by abundant light in this great room. The natural light pouring in really makes this space feel warm and inviting. And check out this unique staircase tucked behind the fireplace. It's a standout feature that adds a modern touch to this home. The kitchen is every entertainer's dream. You've got an elongated island perfect for gatherings, and not one but two Butler's pantries providing plenty of storage and prep space. And you'll love this oversized Butler's pantry. Check this out. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or a casual get-together, this kitchen is ready to impress. Now let's take a look at this master suite. It's truly a retreat of its own. The room is spacious with a luxurious walk-in shower and a soaking tub for relaxation and an oversized walk-in closet. It's a perfect blend of comfort and elegance. And upstairs you have 3 bedrooms, an office, a computer nook, bonus room, and an upstairs laundry. This home in the hills at Dry Creek Ranch isn't just about luxury inside, it's also about location. You're at the heart of recreation with easy access to Highway 55 and all that Boise has to offer. If you're interested in making this beautiful home yours, feel free to reach out. Thank you for joining me on this tour, and I'll see you at the next one.